Krishna Chakravarti, he says, Udar also means welfare work, means to help and to give benefit to everyone, each and every gopi. So Udar means he's going to benefit. Ultimately, it doesn't look so good right now, but in a few moments, when Radharani enters, as she is now, soon, just about, then everyone will feel that magnanimity of Krishna and that all-encompassing love of Krishna as he spins and whirls and plays with them in various ways, which we'll probably find out when we go to verse 44. I don't know if we'll go to 45, but it's totally, each and every gopi fully reciprocates with them and doesn't fail to reciprocate them. They say, oh, we want you to drink the nectar of our lips, we want to embrace you. He'll do that. He'll drink the nectar of every gopi's lips and embrace every gopi and so many things and fully satisfy them. So therefore he's Achyuta. And this is his udar. He'll give benefit to each and every gopi and each and every devotee. And this Priti Sandarbha, we mentioned that already so many times. There's one Krishna for every liberated soul to individually love and be loved by. Eternally, every single devotee in unlimited number of expansions of the spiritual realm of Goloka Vrindavan.